Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Shadowing Practice with Sophia. This is episode 14 of season 1. I'm so happy you're continuing to practice your English with me. Let's keep our routine strong. Listen carefully, pause when you need to, and repeat my sentences, focusing on sounding natural and clear. Today, I want to talk about something incredibly restorative and accessible to many of us: benefits of spending time in nature, even a little bit. In our increasingly urban and technology-driven lives, connecting with the natural world can have profound positive effects on both our mental and physical well-being. You don't have to go on a long wilderness hike or camp in a remote forest to experience these benefits, although those are wonderful too. Even spending a short amount of time in nature can make a difference. This could be a walk in a local park, sitting under a tree in your garden, or even just noticing the plants and sky from your window. One of the most significant benefits is stress reduction. Studies have shown that being in nature can lower stress hormone levels, reduce blood pressure, and calm the nervous system. The sounds of nature, like birdsong or rustling leaves, and the sights, like green trees and open skies, can have a very soothing effect on our minds. It helps us to feel more peaceful and less overwhelmed. Spending time in nature can also boost your mood. Exposure to natural light helps regulate our internal clocks and can increase levels of serotonin, a hormone associated with happiness and well-being. It can lift your spirits, reduce feelings of anxiety or depression, and generally make you feel more positive and optimistic. Furthermore, nature can improve focus and concentration. Taking a break in a natural setting can help to restore your attention, making you more productive and creative when you return to your tasks. It's like a mental reset button. Physically, spending time outdoors often encourages more activity. Whether it's walking, gardening, or simply strolling, being in nature can motivate us to move our bodies, which is, of course, great for our physical health. So, I encourage you to consciously make a little time for nature in your daily or weekly routine. Even 15 or 20 minutes can be beneficial. Leave your phone behind if you can, and just allow yourself to be present and observe the natural world around you. Listen to the sounds, feel the breeze, notice the details. I hope this inspires you to connect a bit more with nature and, of course, provides you with excellent material for your shadowing practice today. Keep up the wonderful work. I'll see you in episode 15. Bye!